this is my review of the pop-on veneers. I do not have them in right now. I purchased the Hollywood white because I wanted that pop when I smiled, especially in pictures. So let's just get right into it. I will put on the tops and the bottoms because that's what I ordered. And you will instantly see the difference in my smile. So first, these are my bottoms. Oops. And let's do the tops. Oh, look at that, baby. Yes, yes. Now that's what I call $1 million smile. Now, I personally love them. I feel super confident with them on, and I'm not afraid to smile. I'm not afraid to talk to people. So make an investment in yourself and definitely get you some pop-ons.